This Taylor Haynes video number 2. I heard how y'all liked the first one, so came back for more. Here it is. Here in the dark, I stand before you, knowing this is my chance to show you my heart. Here is the start. This is the start. I have so much to say, and I'm hoping that your arms are open. Don't turn away. I want you near me because you have to hear me. Here's where I stand. Here's who I am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mommy, but don't tell me who I have to be. Here's who I am. I'm what you see. You said that I had to change, and I was trying, but my heart was lying. I'm not a child any longer. I am stronger. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here's where I stand. Here's who I am. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Love me, and I want you to help me to move on, but please don't tell me how. I'm on my way. I'm moving now. In this life, we've come so far, but we're only who we are. With the courage of love to show us the way. You got the power to stand up and say, here's who I stand, here's who I am, yeah, yeah, yeah. Love me, love me, love me, and we'll make it through. Here's where I stand, a baby, a baby, a baby. I'm counting on you. Here's where I stand. I love me, I love me, I love me. I'm counting on. Whoa, yeah, yeah. I'm counting. Oh, I'm counting. I'm counting. I'm counting on you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank y'all.